This is a very velvet construction. If you open to in, it's not possible to pick. This is the handle, this is the lock system. Switch off automatically to save electricity.
Michal told me that this picking lorry is very good to pick mushroom from the lowest shelf. And Michal, can you show up, please, us?
Yeah. This is a very velvet construction.
Yeah, it's very nice to see, I believe.
Yeah, it's something like leather and foam inside. The door is open into the lorry for the safety. If you open to in, it's not possible to pick with open door. So it's necessary to close. People are sometimes tired thinking about some other things. So if the door will open out the lorry, it's possible to don't remember about close, and then you can fall down. This is the handle, this is the lock system, and you can put just very easy down. These shelves are supported by stainless steel gas spring to be easier adjust up. If the lorry, if you leave the lorry for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes and if you didn't switch off, then the light will switch off automatically to save electricity. Waiting system, which is integrated to the shelves. This is our scale. You can put mushrooms direct to this shelf. If you hear beep signal, you can set for, I don't know, 100 grams, 3 kilo, 500. It's
next to make pickers not to put more mushrooms.
Yes, exactly. If you concentrate on the picking, and then you can hear beep, okay, you can check, okay, it's too much, a little bit less, check, just control.
I have read also on your website that they are very easy to move from one.
Yeah, this is true. This kind of lorry, or trolley, we can say, probably in US most common.
By the way, it's interesting. Trolley or lorry?
Yeah, it was the question at the beginning of our experience at that industry. In my experience, I see that especially in US or Canada markets, they called trolley for trolley like that, because it's movable on the floor. Lorry is more hanging because it's hanging.
Like that.
Yeah, this is my experience, my knowledge, my explanation.
I have not known it. Thank you for the explanation. I believe all our readers of UMDIS also did not know. Thank you. Yeah, okay, so
You're welcome.
Wanted to show?
Yes, I'd like to show you, because if you stop picking and want to move the trolley to another room, for example, you can use second suspension.
Even me probably can do it.
I think it's possible. Maybe it's not very easy, but you know, it's 500 kilos approximately. So it's good that you did it.
Yeah.